alleging 4 charges against you.
Last night.
The charges are listed as follows. Give me a moment here. First off is disorderly conduct. The second charge is driving on a suspended license or revoked license. The third is drug paraphernalia possession or use. And the final charge is dangerous drug possession or use. On those charges, you have the right to remain silent, right to counsel, and right to trial. I've scheduled you for a 2-part hearing on September 9th at 4 o'clock p.m. The first part of it is regarding the felony charges. That's called a preliminary hearing, and that's where the prosecutor will present testimony and evidence to a judge or to a grand jury to determine if there's probable cause to charge you with those felonies. Not convict you, just to charge you. If there is probable cause, that portion of the case will bind over to the Gila County Superior Court. If there's not probable cause, the felony portion of the case will dismiss. Regarding the misdemeanors, at the same date and time, you need to be prepared to plead either guilty, not guilty, or no contest to the 2 misdemeanor violations. Again, driving suspended and disorderly conduct. Depending on how you plead will be what happens next with the court proceeding, and all of those options will be explained to you prior to you giving your plea, as well as the penalty ranges of those charges. Regarding your bond, I'm placing a total of $3,200 bond, and I'll break down the amounts. The dangerous drug possession is a $1,500 bond. The drug paraphernalia possession is a $700 bond, and then two $500 bonds on the misdemeanors. So since you're held in custody, sir, on the felonies, you have the right to a court-appointed attorney if you cannot afford to hire one. Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No.
Okay, so I need to ask you some questions about your finances to qualify you for a court-appointed attorney.
Security.
If you would raise your right hand so I could administer an oath. Do you solemnly swear the information you're providing the court regarding your finances to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay. What is your marital status? Single, married, partnered, separated, or divorced?
He passed away.
Okay. Do you how many other people do you financially support?
Beside myself, one.
One other person?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what is the age and gender of that other person?
Male, and I think he's over 61.
61 male?
Yes.
Does he live with you?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have a job?
No, I'm disabled.
Okay. Do you receive any disability income?
So the Social Security disability.
Social Security disability?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any other take-home pay sources besides that?
No.
Okay. How much is that disability Social Security income?
It's not enough for a lawyer.
Okay. What do you get about a month?
I think it's $1,300.
Okay. Do you own a house?
Well, that depends on if I gotta fight this lawyer. I've only been living and bought that.
Do you currently own the house?
Well, it's my house with my wife, but I gotta fight her brother. He's already stolen two homes, and when he comes here, he's gonna be doing it trying it for the third time, and I'm defending that place. Nobody's getting in.
Okay. Do you have any bank or retirement accounts?
No.
Okay. Do you have any outstanding loans?
No.
Okay. What are your monthly expenses approximately? Here's an easier way to figure it. You get about $1,300 a month. How much at the end of the month of that is free spending money?
None.
So your expenses are about all $1,300?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you owe me? I have no problem being in
All right.
court, and the two officers assaulted me on my own home.
Okay.
And I wasn't even in the car.
Sir, you do qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I'm going to assign that attorney to you. The way that works is that attorney will be assigned, so you're held in custody, and
Come on. Come on. I mean,
do you want
assaulted me on my own property.
do you want me to explain? Do you want me to explain further the process? All right, sir. So since you're in custody on a felony, the count.
I have not even done that. I wasn't even in the car.
The county attorney has 48 hours to file a complaint against you. If they don't do that, regarding the felonies, you'll be released on your own recognizance without having to post the bond.
Could you please release me on my own recognizance?
I cannot, sir. So the 3,200 will remain in place, and we'll have to see how the county attorney files a complaint.
This is ridiculous.
Okay, that'll be all, guys.
Johnny, come on. That's bullshit. I don't want it. Get me out.
Follow you up. Can you come up here? I apologize, sir. He's probably going to be yelling over the court. It's time to see you, Judge.
You son of a bitch! God bless America! I don't want to be here! You son of a bitch! I will!
Is she just going to remain seated there?
Sorry, sir. What was that?
Is she coming forward?
Yeah, sir, she is. She's a little slow on it.
Son of a bitch! God bless America! I
I'm gonna turn that other program off.
Okay.